Selamünaleyküm ve rahmetullahi ve berekatuhu. Welcome to OZER Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan OZER and
myself Yasir Shafiq.
brother Yasir. It had been a long time not to upload video. Why?
Because we were busy. Alhamdulillah, we have so many clients, so many people are coming to see properties, so we are happy.
Alhamdulillah. Sorry for the latency. We were very busy, alhamdulillah. Today we are gonna introduce again this beautiful villa project because in Kocaeli nowadays to find that kind of villa project is really hard. So that I want to get attention for this project one more time again. So brother Yasir, where are we?
We are in Bahçecik region in Kocaeli, and right now how much minutes away from the city?
Maximum in normal condition of the traffic 15 minutes, 15. And I want to show what kind of environment surrounded us. If you are looking for modern nature within luxury concepts, these properties can be very suitable choice for you. Let me summarize the specification of the project. We have 5050 square meters project area. On this 5050 square meters project area, there are gonna be 11 villas is rising up. We are in under construction term. What is the benefits of buying under construction term? Of course, installment payment. So the project has three phases. This is the first line. This first line will be handover around November. Yani at the end of October, in worst condition around at the end of November. And there are gonna be three more villas will be set up over here. There are gonna be three more villas. These are gonna be ready to deliver around end of this year. On this line, you can see there are gonna be four more villas. Four more villas are gonna be ready to delivery next June. So that if you are looking for short-term and long-term installment payments, we have suitable property choices over here. In basically, life is gonna start in this compound, in this project, at the maximum at the end of the November. What we have as a specification for the buildings, we have 230 square meters gross area inside the building with 4 rooms, 3 bathrooms and 1 living room. And I can say that easily these are the luxury concept, detached style villas in a compound, and each villa has its own individual garden, approximately starting from the 350 square meters up to 450 square meters, and of course rental clock security is available. And also if you want to put your own private swimming pool after getting the settlement of documents permission, the construction company is available to put the own private swimming pool. Of course it is extra charge too. So let's start the tour together. Bismillah. We decided to start the tour from here, so let's start. Bismillah. And as I mentioned before, each villa has individual garden. This is the garden section. Garden. Yani basically each property has 3 sections for garden: first line, second line, third line, like U style. And why I'm showing this property? Because finishing rate of this property is higher than the other villas. Bismillah. This is the main entrance of the property, and right over here there are gonna be dressing cabinet section will be put by the construction company. And when I keep continuing my tour, you can use the under the upstairs section as a storage area. And when I turn left, there is a nice and spacious kitchen section is welcoming us. This kitchen is around 14 square meters, and you can reach the veranda from kitchen and living rooms. And look at that beautiful view. One of the most important thing about this project, quality of the material and environment. We have Green Valley view, sea view and city view. And as I mentioned before, we are just 15 minutes far away from here to city center of Kocaeli. And again, for the cover as a decoration and as a isolation cover, artistic material were used for the outdoor cover. And when I reach this section, very big living room section is welcoming us. Size of the living room is 40 square meters, and you can put the fireplace over here. Is optional if you want to put your own fireplace to your property is available to put over here. And heating system of the property is working with the natural gas system. There are pipes underground heating system. There are pipes underground. It gives heating, it's providing heating to your property. And when I look to lighting system, classical and LED lighting systems are available inside the living room too. So when I keep continuing my tour, design of the property is so true, because at least one more, according to my idea, at least one more room located on ground floor, and there is one more room is located on ground floor. Right over here there is a common bathroom of the ground floor is welcoming us, and this is the room on ground floor. And let's keep continue our tour. Let's go to the first floor. And when I reach the first floor, there are 1, 2, 3 rooms and one common bathroom is welcoming us. Let's have a look from the common bathroom. You can realize the size of the common bathroom. And when I reach this section, another room for kids is welcoming us. And look at that beautiful view. Look at that beautiful view. There is another room for kids section is available here. Differences of this room is there is an attached balcony is available for this room, and again almost all the rooms, actually all rooms are expect the ground floor room. The top floor, the rooms on the top floor are focusing on the scenery. And here is the washing machine place. You can put your washing machine and drying machine over here, and you can use this area as a storage too. And when we reach this section, main master room section of the property is welcoming us. On the right section, there is a very spacious, very big bathroom for the master room located over here. It's really big, like common bathroom of the property. And this is the nice detail, very nice detail. I love this kind of detail inside the property. This is the directly dressing room. Dressing room section is available inside the master room too. And here is the bedroom section of the master room, and look at the wide size windows, and it is directly facing of the scenery. And can you imagine each morning you are waking up to that scenery, and quality of the weather is so high in this region too. Everything is so good in this region. And also I'm living at almost same region. I'm so happy. As my individual advice, I advise to you, come over here and make your investment. And also you can make your investigation. I'm not exaggerating. Buying a property in Turkey also really good investment argument for you. And I can say that easily. When you are buying really good living area, at the same moment you are making brilliant investment, because next year value of this properties is gonna reach easily around more than 3 million Turkish liras. If you are interested to buy a property in city of Kocaeli at Turkey, these properties can be very suitable choice for you. So today I talk so much. I want to ask about the opinions to my brother Yasir. So what do you think, brother Yasir?
Okay, so I think this is really a good project, and especially if you want to invest and you want to buy something in less price with better construction, this is a good opportunity for you. The quality is really high.
Yeah, definitely.
So definitely you guys can come and see for yourself. We welcome you.
Inshallah, bismillah. So for more information, please directly contact with me. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090-532-207-8634. I'm repeating my number again, 0090-532-207-8634.
And don't forget to like our video and share with your friends and family. If you are not looking for a house, maybe your friends or family are looking for one. So help them and share with them, because nobody knows a lot about Kocaeli. So help us to grow Kocaeli.
Inshallah.
And also don't forget to subscribe, guys.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, and fi aman Allah.